Hi, Ron Barris here, half of the Healthy Home Dream Team. I'm going to show you how to get rid of pests without the use of professionals or toxic cleaners. It's a fact, homes that use pesticides in their home have children with higher rates of leukemia and cancer. We're going to fix that. I'm going to show you some non-toxic recipes for bait control of ants and other things. Well, I'm going to show you the ABCs to non-toxic ant control. A, awareness. You have to identify where the ants are coming from. So you want to identify the trail they're walking on. Each one of these ants leaves a chemical trail that leads back to the crack or crevice where they're coming from. B, we want to create a barrier to entry. And you can do that with lemon juice. You can actually do that with cayenne pepper. Or my favorite is coffee grinds, and create a perimeter of 6 to 12 inches of where the crack and crevice is to contain them there. They literally don't want to pass this barrier. C is for cleaning. We actually want to clean the perimeter away from the zone that we've created the barrier from, because we want to eliminate that excess chemical trails laid by the ants just in case they get over our barrier. Now we are ready to create the ant bait trap. We're going to use 1 part borax 20 mule team. We're also going to use 10 parts of honey or another sweetener like sugar, or if it's a protein eating ant, we're going to use peanut butter. We're going to mix the concoction in a plate, and we're going to carefully put it on a piece of cardboard and put it in that zone, the barrier that we've created for the ants to contain them, make sure they eat it, and take it back to the nest. And after 10 days, you should have no problem. Coffee grains have a unique ability to also stop other pests like snails and slugs. Just sprinkle them in your garden, and snails and slugs will make sure to avoid that area. Another great tip, peppermint. It's wonderful at stopping spiders. They just don't like it. Spray it in corners of your house or in the garage. Kind of goes without saying that spiders are great pest controls themselves, but if you do have a problem with spiders, that's a great tip. Now finally, I want to end with the bugzooka. You literally identify the pest and you capture it inside this chamber, and you take it out of your house, pesticide free.